into North Carolina, that probably never feels lower than at this time of the year.
And when you get a foot of rain, I don't care where you are, you're going to get some flooding. So they are very concerned about that. We're also watching the path for us.
Yeah.
Because it may have a significant impact on our local forecast. We'll get to that in just a second. For the night tonight, we are still keeping an eye on the cleanup to the north. Look at these reported wind gusts. This is from the Cleveland area yesterday. Bracknell, right off the coast in the lake, 86 miles per hour, 79 miles an hour near Bay Village. Fairport Harbor at 74. 74 miles an hour is hurricane strength. So it was even stronger than that in a lot of places. Edgewater Park had a 67 mile per hour gust. Hopkins was out of power for a while. They hit 61 miles an hour, and a little farther east at East Lake, they had 57 mile per hour wind gusts. It is much quieter and much cooler today. We have a mix of sun and clouds out there now. Nothing on the radar here in central Ohio. Where you've had sunshine, you've been a little warmer during the daytime today. Not a surprise. So southern Ohio had temperatures that were much warmer than we did here in central Ohio because the clouds were thicker from here north. Southern Ohio was a little sunnier. 83 right now at John Glenn Columbus International Airport. Feels like 86. Wind out of the northeast at 14 miles per hour. Look at this. Your heat index in Waverly right now at 95 degrees, 92 in Athens. Otherwise, your Bassett Services heating and cooling current conditions. Heat index in Caldwell at 91, but only 75 in Delaware. Through the evening tonight, still going to be in the 70s for the next few hours, and we'll have a mix of sun and clouds. And then overnight, let's call it partly cloudy. It is a little cooler. We've been in the 70s for the last few nights. We're only going to get to 67, but that's cooler. Humidity's down just barely. Here's what's going to happen with Debbie. So Debbie comes ashore again, likely tonight, and then tracks up through parts of South Carolina, then up into North Carolina. By the time it gets a little bit farther to the north, that's when it hooks up with the jet stream, and it really starts to move faster. So by the time we get to Friday morning, it's already up here in parts of West Virginia, the eastern portions there, and headed toward Pennsylvania. This cold front in Ohio Friday morning is going to help to push it this way. That front, though, could also give us a few showers. So the combination of Debbie coming up our way plus the cold front, we're going to leave a chance of showers in eastern Ohio. The rest of the day then starts to improve because Debbie moves off to the north, cold front moves out to the east, and we are quieter for the rest of your Friday. In the meantime, tomorrow, we're looking at a start in the 60s and then getting into the lower 90s during the afternoon. It's going to be a hot, humid day tomorrow, but tomorrow we stay mostly dry. Could get a couple of sprinkles here and there, but most of the area is dry. The soupy conditions continue on Friday, but then once that cold front goes by, then it starts to get a whole lot more comfortable through the weekend because we'll have some cooler air and lower humidity. So tomorrow, partly cloudy, it's warm, it's muggy, maybe a shower, 90 degrees for the afternoon, and then on Friday, 85. The rain, if it happens at all, is mainly to the east, and will really depend on the path that Debbie takes as it makes its way up into this part of the country. Your weekend, temperatures in the upper 70s with plenty of sunshine.